Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. In this video, we'll see the question Roman to integer. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols, and here are a few rules that are applied while writing a Roman number. So a Roman numeral is usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not written as consecutive ones that are written 4 times, but instead the number 4 is written as 1 and v. So over here, as 1 is before the 5, we subtract it and make it 4. Same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as 1 in x. So here are the following instances when subtraction is used. So I can be placed before v, that is 5, and x. X can be placed before L and C. C can be placed before D and M. So those are the rules, and here is the table that is given to us for mapping the symbol with the number. So now let's see how we can solve this question. So we'll be taking this example, and here is the table that was given to us, and these are the rules that we saw. So let's start with solving this problem. So one thing that we are going to do over here is that we'll go from end to the start and add all the numbers as we get. Now, initially we'll keep the value of this last element or the last character, that is b equal to 5, in the result for this particular example, and we'll move ahead starting from the second last character in the input that is given to us. So we start from here, and now we need to check whether the value of this particular character is lesser than the character which is occurring after that, because in that case we need to subtract its value, or otherwise we can just add its value in our result. So over here we can see that I has a value of 1, v has a value of 5, and 1 is less than 5. So this becomes 5 minus 1, which is 4, and so we update our result with 4 and move forward. Over here we can see that C's value is 100, which is greater than the value for 1, and so we add 100 in our previous value 4, which gives us 104. Now here again value of x is less than the value for C, so we'll subtract it from our result, and here we will add it. So we keep on doing this till the end. Now finally we are getting a result of 1994 in the result, and that is the value for this particular input that is given to us. So that's all about the question. It's really very simple one if you follow this logic. So let's go ahead and code it out. Over here initially we would need to have the mapping for the symbol and the value. So let's take a map and add all the values in the map. So over here we have added all the 7 values in the map. Now we'll start with the result variable having the value that corresponds to the last character of the string. Now we will iterate over the string starting from the second last character. And in this we need to compare the values for characters at the ith position and I plus 1 position. If the value at I is less than the value at I plus 1th position, we do a subtraction from our result. And otherwise we do a addition. So this remains the same, and this just change to addition. So that's all, and at the end we return the result. So let's run this code for all the test cases, and it is giving a perfect result. Let's submit this code, and it got submitted. So the time complexity for this particular approach is O of n, as we need to iterate over all the values or all the characters in the string, and the space complexity is O of 1, as we just need to store these 7 values, and that is a constant space. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep coding.